Walking time. Ganun ako. Ha? Oo nga, pero at least lang naman pang ano lang sa health. Good for the health, exercise.
Yes, exercise po.
We're just walking. Walking sa kay ano man. First day.
First day.
First day na yun. Hindi na ako kain mamaya. Ikaw na kakain. Yan.
Sa puta tayo doon. Parang dito ata yung daan papuntang Cornish, di ba?
Pag ganun, pwede dyan. Kahit saan, palisot-lusot na yan dyan papunta.
Doon ata, oh. Kasi doon kami nagpunta ng dagat eh. Doon namingwit kami nila Kuya Rusty dati.
Dito lang kay banda. Na ano.
Dito lang.
Hindi ko na dinala yung selfie stick. Maliit kasi.
Pwede. Ayan. Tapos i-post sa
Yan ako sa ano, mini vlog. Guys, pupunta kami ng ano, beach.
Hello po.
Ang likot ng camera.
Ay, ganda pala ng phone na.
Kaya nga, sabi nga ng mga kasama ko, ang ganda pa ng ano
Parang
mo.
iPhone din pala eh. Ano pala oh.
Maganda yung ano niya, ding.
Ganda ng camera niya.
Camera niya.
Tsaka yung video niya.
Maganda.
Parang 4K.
Cute siya.
Yung anong cellphone niya?
Samsung A52. A52s 5G.
Sa akin naman A4 ata. A54.
Yan, naglalakad kami right now for exercising. As in, ang linaw talaga ng camera, ding. Ang linaw. Yan, maganda. Mag-videoan ta ka kasi ang ganda tingnan eh. I-send ko sa'yo mamaya pag ano. Ha?
Ano yung sa kabila?
Pearl Hotel. Pero nagsara na yun, di ba? Yan yung ano, Malcolm Beach Hotel. Jogging time. Relaxing. Kasama ko. Papunta kami ng beach. Ha? Din kahit hindi na ako tatakbo, pawis na ako. We're already in beach. Video na to ni mga gulang. Check, ang daming tao. Yan si Ding. Lilipad si Ding dahil nasa kanya ang bato. Yung damit ko, para akong buntis. Hayaan mo na. Wala silang pake. Oh, may gwapo. May gwapo naka-shades. Ay, hindi pala. Gwapo siya. The sun is over. Di ba malamig ang ano ng dagat? We're just walking. Hirap mag-video pag may... Super hot. Nakading pawis ka na din.
Pawis na ako.
Wow, ang sarap ng hangin. I love it. Ay, yung bato nag... Guys, this is the new opening here in Umalquin Beach. Diyan si Kuya si Rin.
Mamaya na tayo mag-ano.
Mamaya tayo maglakad ulit. Ano ka muna? Ang ganda tingnan, ha?
Baka bawal.
Bawal! Sabihin natin, bibili tayo. Titingin tayo kung anong merong menu. Uy, ang ganda dito. Lakading pawis na ako. Hi! Guys, andito kami sa beach. Ang ganda ng view. Pwede tayo mag-upo-upo dyan. Mag-ano tayo kung magkano yung ano yun. Tapos, saan kayo dyan? Ang ganda ng view. Pumasok lang kami para makipag-ano. So, pawis na. Guys, wala tong filter ha. Baka sabihin nyo naka-filter kami. Maganda lang talaga kami. Walang halong beer. Uy, ang sarap. Daming tao.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday.
Done jogging. Done walking.
Pagod.
Pawis na pawis. Pauwi na kami. Pang and ready. Yan. Uwian time. Tingalors. Pagod na yung kasama ko. Super duper tired. That's all for today.